The maintenance required soon message in your 2014-2019 Toyota Highlander is a reminder for routine maintenance, primarily oil changes. It appears roughly every 5,000 to 7,500 miles based on driving conditions, triggered by a mileage-based timer in the vehicle's ECU. This is not an emergency warning like the oil pressure light, but a prompt to service your vehicle. Resetting the system after an oil change is crucial to ensure accurate tracking of the next maintenance interval and prevent the message from continuously displaying. Ignoring the reset won't immediately harm your engine, but it can lead to neglected maintenance. It's important to perform a genuine oil change using the correct oil type, e.g. 0W20 synthetic, before resetting. Remember, this system relies on the MED, multi-information display, and the trip meter reset button. First, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, using the trip meter reset button, navigate to the Settings or Maintenance menu on the multi-information display. Select Oil Maintenance or a similar option from the menu. Follow the on-screen prompts to reset the oil life. This usually involves holding down the reset button until the message clears or a confirmation appears. Ensure the reset is successful by verifying that the Maintenance Required Soon message is no longer displayed when you start the vehicle. If the reset fails, double-check that the ignition is correctly positioned and repeat the process. Inconsistent oil levels can cause errors, so ensure the oil change was done fully.